Chapter 19. Pulling it all together, a checklist. Technical analysis is much like putting together a giant jigsaw puzzle. Each technical tool holds a piece of the puzzle. My approach to market analysis is to combine as many techniques as possible. Each works better in certain market situation. The key is knowing which tools to emphasize in the current situation. The day the user sees these interrelationships and is able to view technical analysis as the sum of its parts is the day that person deserves the title of technical analyst. The technician is constantly seeking clues to future market movement. The final clue that leans the trader in one direction or the other is often some minor factor that has gone largely unnoticed by others. The more factors the analyst considers, the better the chances of finding that right clue. Technical checklist. 1. What is the direction of the overall market? 2. What is the direction of the various market sectors? 3. What are the weekly and monthly charts showing? 4. Are the major, intermediate, and minor trends up, down, or sideways? 5. Where are the important support and resistance levels? 6. Where are the important trend lines or channels? 7. Are volume and open interest confirming the price action? 8. Where are the 33%, 50%, and 66% retracement? 9. Are there any price gaps and what type are they? 10. Are there any major reversal patterns visible? 11. Are there any continuation patterns visible? 12. What are the price objectives from those patterns? 13. Which way are the moving averages pointing? 14. Are the oscillators overbought or oversold? 15. Are any divergences apparent on the oscillators? 16. Are contrary opinion numbers showing any extremes? 17. What is the Elliott wave pattern showing? 18. Are there any obvious 3 or 5 wave patterns? 19. What about Fibonacci retracement or projections? 20. Are there any cycle tops or bottoms due? 21. Is the market showing right or left translation? 22. Which way is the computer trend moving, up, down, or sideways? 23. What are the point and figure charts or candlesticks showing? After you've arrived at a bullish or bearish conclusion, ask yourself the following questions. 1. Which way will this market trend over the next several months? 2. Am I going to buy or sell this market? 3. How many units will I trade? 4. How much am I prepared to risk if I'm wrong? 5. What is my profit objective? 6. Where will I enter the market? 7. What type of order will I use? 8. Where will I place my protective stop? The keys to successful trading are knowledge, discipline, and patience. The Market Technicians Association (MTA) resolved this question by instituting a Chartered Market Technician (CMT) program. The CMT program is a 3-step examination process that qualifies the analyst to carry the CMT letters after his or her name. The next time someone offers you his or her technical opinion, ask to see the CMT. Market Technicians Association (MTA). The Market Technicians Association (MTA) is the oldest and best known technical society in the world. MTA membership includes full-time technical analysts and other interested parties called affiliates. Members have access to the MTA library and a computer bulletin board. A monthly newsletter and a periodic MTA journal are published. MTA members also become colleagues of the International Federation of Technical Analysts (IFTA). Technical analysis by any name. A lot of financial organizations employ analysts whose job it is to number crunch market prices to find stocks or stock groups that are expensive overbought or cheap oversold. They're called quantitative analysts, but the numbers they crunch are often the same ones the technicians are crunching. The financial press has written about a new class of trader called momentum players. These traders move funds out of stocks and stock groups that are showing poor momentum and into those that are showing good momentum. They use a technique called relative strength. Of course, we recognize momentum and relative strength as technical terms. Finally, there are the academics who have reinvented technical analysis under the new name of behavioral finance. Conclusion. If imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, then market technicians should feel very flattered. Technical analysis is practiced under many different names and often by those who may not realize they're using it.